kazwai vana vezimbabwe, vana baba, vana mai, vakoma, vanen'ina, hanzvadzi, vana tete, mose ndinoda kuti ndikukwazisei mangwanana ano ndichikuchingamidzai paUncle Saint TV nechibanda media. Tinoziva kuti Uncle Saint is now Dr. Uncle Saint. Ivo vachibandawo zvakare Chief Chibanda. Saka ndinokuchingamidzai pano padande mutande rino kuti kana kari kwekutanga kusvika pano dzvanyai button musubscribe kuitira kuti patinodzoka zvakare nemamwe mavhidhiyo munopiwa updates. Zvakakosha izvozvo zvinoita kuti basa rienderere mberi. Inini wenyu ndini baba Manass Chirenje wamazi vese, mwana wenyu wamunomira naye, mukoma wenyu wamunomira naye, mukoma wenyu wamunosapota. Ndinoramba ndichiuya ndichikutendai kuti ayo basa tiri kufamba, basa tiri kuriona, nokutendawo zvakare Dr. pamwechete naChief nezuro vakatipa update yekuti musha wenyu uchavhurwa musi wei. Takanzwa kuti musi wa22 November 2025 zvoreva kuti musi womugovera. Pana anofanirwa kusara, tese tinofanirwa kuve tiripo tichivaona ivo Dr. Uncle Saint, tichivaona ivo vachibanda, muchionawo zvakare Professor Chirenje, ndinenge ndiripo. Saka uyai tinokukokai nouwandu hwenyu kuti muuye muzopedzisa basa renyu ramakatanga. Regai ndidzoke pari kubvunzwa pane mubvunzo mukuru uri kubvunzwa nevanhu. Mubvunzo iwoyo nezuro takatadza kupindura nekuti tanga tisina kubatana nevari kuita nezvemari, asi tinotenda kuti takazobatana navo. Zviri kufadza, zviri kufamba mufungi, zvinhu zvakaoma. Saka maomero akaita zvinhu hazvingaite kuti zvingoti nezuva rimwe chete nousiku humwe chete zvifambe, asi tiri kutenda kuti patakasiya tichitizvo tapa 3.950, asi Mwari ndiMwari, tadzika zvakanyanya tasvika pa 2.7, ndiyo mari yatari kushandira yasara 2,700 kuti tisvike patageti yatakakumbira, yatakauya kwamuri takati tibatsireiwo nayo. Saka kana tichinge tasvika ipapo toziva kuti taakuenda kumberi, taakufamba kuenda kumberi. Saka kutenda kwangu kwandoramba ndichingodzotsera maoko kwamuri kuti haiwa, Mwari ngavakuropafadzei, Mwari ngavakuitirei zvakanaka, basa riri kufamba, hatisi kumira. Musi wa22 November hakudana anonzwa, tiripo. We can't wait, and I understand you also cannot wait. Uyai tizofara tiri pamwe chete tichidzotsera mbiri kuna Mwari. Ndakutendai.
So, Mr. Chirenje, we know very well that you have got family and friends, and you have got brethren in Christ.
Yes.
Whom you obviously worship with the church. Have you invited people to come and be part of this occasion where Joe's gets will be open?
You know, because I've got so many friends, I've been befriended to all Zimbabweans, to all diasporans. I cannot invite them one by one. The invitation you put yesterday and what I've repeated today, that the big day is on the 22nd of November 2025. I extend it to them. My fellow churchmen, my fellow countrymen, my brothers, my sisters, comrades and friends, you are all invited. This is the invitation I am putting towards to you today.
Any person say. And also, what is the permanent secretary saying? You know very well that we have never talked to her on public, and but we know very well that she's telling you, you know how she feels, especially knowing that in some few days or a week you'll be, going back in this house.
She is down on her knees. Her heart is overwhelmed. she is happy. There are times she says, tomorrow I want to go behind the cameras, but when tomorrow comes, she says, I will end up crying before the cameras. Saka, let's do it another day. But only what I can say in there is she is overwhelmed. She is happy. She is inviting you all to come meet her, see her, so that she can have a shoulder to lean on that day. So please come. The permanent secretary always says greetings to you. She always says thank you very much for everything you have done from day one to present, and more so till the 22nd of November.
All right. We understand that last time we announced it, we said that today is the deadline when we are supposed to be paid the full amount of the money, which is required for these gates to be open. What are you going to do? Looking at the amount that we still have remaining 2,700, what do you think is going to happen?
Dr. Saints, in everything we give it back to God. You never know by the end of the day, because they said it's 3 o'clock. Something will happen. Something strange, something miraculous will happen. So we still have faith. We still have time. Although we are behind time. But to 3 o'clock, we will see what will be on the ground. And we'll go to them with what is on the ground. Yes. And before that, Uncle Saint, when you are in a war, there are a war means two parties fighting, right? And when you have finished fighting, you must always come back together and be one thing. I want to extend my invitation to whoever thinks that I wronged him, I wronged her. This is God. And when God says yes, no man says no. So I am saying, because my love of God is greater than the love of this world, I am saying, whoever thinks I wronged him or her, you are invited on the 22nd. Be there. Be on the GoFund contribution. Be there. Then let's move forward. That's one thing I've forgotten to say.
And your kids, are they going to be part of the occasion?
Wow, that's
Because
a very...
I'm sure a lot of people would like to see from the PEM secretary, who is your wife, and
Yes.
your kids as well.
They are going to be present. They are going to be present. They will be there, because I cannot. They cannot put words in me to thank these people. They have to come behind the cameras with their ages and thank these people for the great job that they have done for us.
Yeah, wonderful. Your last words before we go.
I've got 3 girls, but I don't need a mukwasha at the moment.
All right. So there's someone who wrote a message to
Yes.
me. He said he want to be your tenant. Is there room for tenant? He said, Uncle, please tell Mr. Chirenje that I want to be his first tenant.
Uncle Sense, it's unfortunate that he doesn't know those people I've stayed with before. If you check with those people, you'll be the number one to come and say, I want the full house.
All right.
So he's most welcome.
All right.
Yeah, he's most welcome.
Yeah.
One thing we fear, one thing we like here is a godly environment. That's all we can say. But he's welcome. Yes.
Right. Thank you very much, Mr. Chirenje. Thank you so much. We wish you good luck on this day. you all the best. Thank you very much. We'll see you